up? You ready to cook?
In this video, me and Chef John are going to show y'all exactly what goes on behind the scenes of our live streams. But first, we hydrate, and I can't stress that enough. It is 100 degrees in San Antonio right now. That is crazy. So Mr. John prepared us some cheladas, but without the tomato juice. If you drink tomato juice in your chelada, you're disgusting. Next, we just start the live stream by preparing some veggies and putting them off to the side for now. We have some seasonings right here that we're going to mix together for a dry rub to put on our Wagyu skirt steaks. But first, you gotta stay hydrated, guys. Then we'll throw the veggies on the pan, let those cook real nicely. And once those are done, we start by throwing the meat on the grill. Give that a flip. And one thing that I really love is that I can still keep an eye on my meat while having the lid closed with this clear view lid. Shout out Monument Grills for that.
Monument Grills.
Guys, if you have not tried this brisket queso dip from HEB, go to HEB on your next barbecue. Buy this, try it out. It will change the game for you. This clip right here is just me cutting meat, looking awesome. And once the food's done, just enjoy.
For more great recipes, make sure you like and subscribe right here at the Chef's Backyard. We'll see you real soon.